The MS Test Pro is an all-in-one tool for assisting AV integrators to qualify and certify their infrastructure, both pre- and post-installation. This short video will take you through the performance and certification procedure for testing CAT cable for suitability of use with a 10 gig HDBaseT signal. Before turning your unit on, connect the black data adapter to the port on the back of the receiver. Connect the HDBaseT transmitter module to the end of the cable that will be located closest to the HDMI source device, and the HDBaseT receiver module to the far end of the cable. Slot the transmitter module into the base of the MS Test Pro, ensuring the module connects securely to the tester's communication port inside. Use the supplied HDMI cable to connect the HDMI test pattern generator on the side of the MS Test Pro to the HDMI input on the transmitter. Turn the tester on, wait for the boot sequence to complete, and you will see the main menu. We are now ready to take a look at the general performance of the cable you are testing. The performance overview features two graphs. The top graph is the max error rate, which signifies the maximum error rate the HDBaseT chipset is correcting errors to, that are picked up along the length of the cable run. The coloured lines are related directly to the twisted pairs in the cable. Pair A for orange and white and orange, B for green and white and blue, pair C is for blue and white and green, leaving pair D for brown and white and brown. The threshold line signifies where the HDBaseT chipset may start to fail in transmission of HDBaseT signals. The orange threshold is where the line is expected to become unstable, with the red line being the point where HDBaseT should not be able to operate. Being close to the orange line means you are pushing the technology to the edge of its normal operating limits. The bottom graph is the MSE error, which measures the resistance that the HDBaseT signal is subjected to as it passes through the copper cable. The length and quality of the copper and joins within the cable will all have an effect on the overall stability of the link. HDBaseT is an asymmetric link, with more data flow in one direction than the other. The MS Test Pro can test the data flow in both directions by toggling the TX or RH switch at the top of the screen. Supporting data is recorded at the bottom of the tester screen, including the cable's length and the pixel clock speed of the HDMI signal being sent. The config page allows you to drill down the individual features within the HDBaseT link, such as pixel clock speed, Ethernet pass-through, UART or serial pass-through, bidirectional IR pass-through, video status or the presence of a video signal, and 5V hot plug detect. When testing with a specific CAT cable type, use the cable profile to select the cable being tested. This function will allow for properties of specific cable to be taken into account when testing. If your cable type is not listed, leave it selected as standard. The HDBaseT certification takes approximately 10 seconds to perform the required tests to check the cable's suitability for use with HDBaseT. There are three outcomes of the test: a green pass, an advisory pass, and fail. An advisory pass will show the word pass in orange text. This signifies one or more of the tests completed was close to the threshold, and that remedial action may be required for stable HDBaseT links. Once the test has been run, save the test into your internal memory of your MS104B for download in PDF format at a later time. If your MS Test Pro is connected to a network, you can email the test results directly to your inbox. Your MS Test Pro can also be controlled and live information viewed directly from a tablet or desktop device connected via the remote Wi-Fi access your MSolutions product includes. Simple, efficient and effective testing from MSolutions.